guys, welcome back. As you see, I'm back in the van. I had a 4-day break with my mother and her boyfriend in this really beautiful hotel. It was really nice, but I didn't have much privacy because I just went in their room. So I was sleeping on the couch, but it was really cool. Pena could stay with us. They prepared even like a little bed for him. It was so nice. I had showers. I don't know, I just lived the full tourist life in Portugal, although I'm here for so long now. This place is like the insider spot. It's a bit more inland, but it looks really cute. Look at it. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. I'm almost on the border to Spain. I'm pretty much in Faro, and Spain is so close, so I'm gonna be in the south of Spain really soon. I'm really excited about the border crossing. And today, because I'm just staying here in this really beautiful beach area, I want to take it slow. Every time when I stop van life for a little bit, the first day always feels a little bit weird. I don't know, because I was living such a normal life in a house and everything. I have to kind of adjust a little bit, but it goes like within a day, sleeping one time, and then I'm already back in the van life. So yeah, as I said, I'm just staying here in this beautiful beach. This side is beach and this side is like forest. So it's absolutely beautiful. And I want to take it easy, because I'm not gonna vlog today too much, because I'm not moving, so you'll see me sleeping. You won't see me doing much. So I thought about doing a room tour, because the last one I did was 6 months ago, and of course in the meantime I had so many little adjustments which I wanted to show you and explain you a little bit how everything works, like the solar panels with the TV and all of that little things that I have new in my van. I'm really excited. So how do you say it in MTV? Welcome to my crib. And let's get started. Pena is playing with our neighbors. He's so crazy. First of all, let's start with the kitchen area, right? So this pretty much hasn't changed. I have my little bathroom area here with like the toothbrushes and my deodorant, soap, a little mirror to watch whenever I'm here using the sink. And I just had like food this lunchtime, spaghetti bolognese. And then I have my spices here, which I actually use on a regular basis. Nothing beats Tabasco and Sriracha sauce. I just love chili. Then I have little things with just pans and I don't know, hand cream. Oh, white stripes. I got them from Germany, like just to keep my teeth shining. And then some wax for the surfboard and pepper spray. This is a little pepper spray that I never had to use it. My mom put it there. Normally this rack was there and the knives were here. So this is new. I think almost every van life has something like that. Whenever I was cooking, behind it started to burn. So I had to put the tiles there. I got them from Portugal. I glued them there to protect the wood because it was already burning. It's already a little bit black behind. So yeah, I changed that. So I have my cups here. I hang my keys. Here whenever I don't drive, so I don't lose it. And I love this. And yeah, cactuses everywhere. Here's one, and then my knives. I really have to have good knives because I love cooking. You cannot cook properly if you don't have the right tools, so the knife is really important. As you remember, the lockers are still here. I always put them on when I start to drive. Yesterday I got this new, it's like a rubber mat. I think normally you use it for the bathroom. I got it from this kind of Asian store where they just have everything. And when I was driving, the pans would move a little bit around every time. But now it's really secure. It's just amazing. I really love it. I have like my knife sharpener here, some kitchen towels, can opener, my foldable bucket, another wood stove in case I want to cook with open fire, some plates, cutting boards, And yeah, still the bathroom area. Then here, this one is new. The bottles, they were just without this box, but this is really useful. And I didn't put the mat here because otherwise I could not, you know, pull it out easily. So I cut it only till here. The rest is secured and I can just pull it out, grab all the oils and cans, whatever I need to cook, and put it back in. The sink still works the same way it did before. Then of course, my absolute favorite little thing, my little poof. I love it so much. It normally is here. I can normally sit here and watch out and just relax. So it's not too uncomfortable sitting on the floor. And then this one is new. I used to have all my fruits in here, but now it's just like my wallet, a lot of sunscreen, and just, yeah, my little GoPro, just like everything is there. And I got this basket now. It's really beautiful. I just like this boho main style. I have this basket where I still have like all my vegetables and fruit inside. There's some fruit flies, you know, these one-day flies here. They're annoying. Then I put the mat here as well. I have the water bottle as always here, and then the pump to press it whenever I need it. This is I got this from the hotel. They gave us this for free, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take it to the van and drink it one day if I have company. Then I have my Asian rice here, my Chinese rice, or I think it's Chinese. I have to have it, a big bag of rice. I think I could not live without rice. Then I have here my little 12-volt charger. I'll show you. This is my 12-volt charger. You can see how much volt the battery has, and you can turn it off, turn it on. And normally how I charge my phone, because I have it here next to the bed, I put this in and I charge my phone with it. And here you also have some USB. So yeah, this is how I charge my phone, using that. And this is connected all the way down to the battery. Let's talk about the battery. Perfect! First of all, this is another storage with, as you see, too many shoes. I'm still a shoe addicted girl. I don't know, I just can't. It's like actually way too unnecessary because I didn't wear so many of them. But yeah, they're just still here. Then I have some clothes in the corner. Then a sleeping bag that I normally have for the winter. So this is the battery. Okay, I explained it really simple to you. When I did it, I tried to learn it as simple as possible because I'm not a technician. I don't know, I just know the basic. All right, I'll explain a little bit to you. So this is the second battery. The battery is connected to the car itself because it needs the I don't know how you say it, minus. It's like here, you see it? It's connected to the car. And you have to connect this cable, the big one, this goes all through here, is connected to first battery in the engine. So it charges through this thing in here. So this, I use everything from this battery, everything that works inside of the van. Like, let's say the light. So all of that goes here. And this is like a Sicherungskasten. It's like, oh, how do you say that? Anyway, this is something to secure it so you don't get the spark and burn the whole car down. And this gets charged if I start to drive, and the second battery gets charged from the sun. So right now it's super sunny, it gets charged. The cable's running through here, and they are going to the converter, and then they get energy into this battery. And you can see how much is inside in here. All right, this is a car battery. You don't have something like a plug. You have to get an inverter. It's also connected with this battery, so it converts the 12-volt, which is normally like this, into a 240 volt. The 240 is what you use at home, and then you can put the cable inside. You'll see the cable goes here to this where I glued it on the wall, so I can turn on the TV. But I don't watch TV because I don't have an antenna, or so whenever I find Wi-Fi, I just download some movies and put a USB stick in the back and watch the movies. You remember my closet? When I told you this stuff would fall down? Well, I got a net and I secured it here with some hooks. It goes here to my surfboard, and it keeps the stuff normally in place. Oh, then what is actually really new, it would just be like a wall without anything. But then I got some mirrors here to see sometimes how I look like. I got this new yesterday too. I think it's really cool. It filters, because you always have so much humidity in the air because you cook, you sleep, and it's not good to have humidity in the car because it can rust from the inside. Stuff can mold. Last time I had like a blanket here for too long and it started to mold, so I had to throw it away. And this one, I saw it was on sale, and I got this from a shop, like a hardware shop. And you see already, I started using it yesterday, that there's some water already inside if you really look at it. I have my shoes here. I have a little rubbish that is also new, because I always would keep my rubbish like just a bag and hooked it on the hook, but it was always annoying me because I thought, okay, this doesn't look nice. I got this little rubbish just close to the door. Oh, hi baby, what are you playing? Hi, welcome back. I'm just filming, did you know? Did you play well, huh? Do you want a drink? Oh, you want a drink, right? Here, that's Wasser. Here. I have this penny. I need to go to the side. Please go. Yes, good boy. So I have this rubbish which is hooked up with a rubber band, so when I drive it doesn't move too much. You know, I just keep collecting pillows because this is just my thing. This area didn't actually change much. I got a new calendar. I still get confused though what days we have. And then I have like some little boxes here for the sound. Some candles still, a lot of crochet thing. Oh, you know, I got that. You know why? Because I did a hair wrap yesterday myself. Because I saw so many on the streets. I told you, like, I like them so much, and every time it's so expensive, so I bought some yarn which was really cheap and I made this myself. So maybe I'm gonna do a tutorial on that because I really love it. It's so cute. Yeah. Oh, what I did new too is actually the rope of my curtains, because my mom thought the rope, it was a bit thick, so sometimes you would still have like some holes like that, and she was afraid that people couldn't look inside. And she did a new and she messed it up, so it took me 2 hours again to get that done and get it fixed. Then I have this area with this where my rubber bands are, my headbands, a lot of things for the hair, brushes, just so I can use it in the morning here so I can brush my hair. My surfboard is still on the roof, and here I still have my dirty laundry underneath, dog food, dog stuff. This has turned into a place where it's just everything. And then a box just full of big sweaters because now it's summer. And I also have my PlayStation here because, you know, I wanted to play PlayStation, but yet I only played once ever. So I don't know, yeah, that's just typical me. I have another camping table here, some bags, a canister if I ever, you know, need more fuel. And then yeah, here I have collected some, you know, stickers and my wetsuit and stuff. So yeah, this is the car. After all, it didn't change too much. I have some smart new setup over the time. Oh, of course, I forgot the plants that I got the other day. They're still looking, well, they're looking quite awful right now. They're still here though. They're still alive. And the mosquito net, I think I covered all of that. You know, this is still the place where I have my toilet paper. This is the box full of electronical stuff and gas bottles for the stove, you know, the gas bottles in here. Oh yeah, one thing I'll show you. This is also quite new. This is like my facial, my morning routine almost. The things that I use for my skin. I'll do another video on that because you're asking me, you're telling me I have a good skin? I don't think so though. So yeah, this is my little beauty area for all my skin stuff. I have medicine. I have a box too of, I'll show you that. There's more clothes, like winter clothes in this blue green bag. I also have like this hat and some books here. Behind there's like quite a few books. I've been starting collecting all the things that remind me from all the people that I've met and come along. And every time they write me a note or a letter or whatever there is, even like little remindings, it's like a box of collecting stuff from all the people that I have met. That's it. There's not much more to show you in this car, unless you want to see like Kenya's stuff. No, I'm joking. So yeah, this is not much more. Really, I gave you a total overview about the car. I really gonna take you with me the next time when I'm crossing the borders to Spain. It's gonna be lovely because we're gonna discover a new country. I mean, a new country for you, because I didn't actually film north of Spain, which is stupid because it's so beautiful there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the south of Spain, and I want to go to Gibraltar. I don't know if you know it, but it's still a bit far till then. But there's like a place with just monkeys run around all over the place freely, and I've been there once. So yeah, I'm really excited to go over, and then soon to go to Morocco. Like, I can't wait to go to Morocco because it's so different to Europe, and I'm really looking forward to it. So yes, sweethearts, I'm always so happy for you looking up on me and just sharing this adventure with you and having some great time together. I'll see you soon. Bye.